Let's imagine you have a local WordPress website and you wish to test some email functionality. For example, you installed the contact 7 form and try to send some message. And yes, message is sent successfully, but where this message sent to? In this video I'll show you how to set up a local email server to receive your test messages from your local website. Hello, my name is Maxim Marko. Let's get started. For this tutorial I will be using Mailpit feature that you can use for your development, for your testings, and yes. You will find the link in the description below, and now I'm going to install this feature on my local PC. I use Windows 11, so I go to this chapter and click Releases button. Then I'm looking for this zip file with AMD and download this. I download this on my desktop, and yes, I have it. Then I can unzip it right here. Extract files. And after that you can place this folder where you want. Now I can open this. I will be using it on my desktop for this tutorial. Then I open this folder and click right button to open the console. Now I can run this Mailpit, and yes, our server is up and running. At the moment there is any emails here, but let's fix that. I think now if we even send the message, we won't receive any message because we didn't set up this website, but let's try. Test, submit. And yes, we don't have any message. We need to make one more step to set up this form, this website, to send the message on to the local server. So go to the admin panel, go to plugins, add new, and let's find a plugin. Yes, we have this plugin. Let's click install button. Let's activate this plugin and let's get started. We will be using this option, order SMTP. Then we need to set several options here. So let's get back to our website and scroll down. Here is the documentation, and we can find several options. For example, this one, localhost, no encryption. Then we need set up port. Turn off all of these things, and also turn off this one. I think that's it. Okay, then save and continue. Save and continue one more time. And one more time, save and continue. Skip. Finish setup. As you can see, at the moment we have one more fresh mail on our local server, and let's test it one more time and send a message from our contact form. Test, okay. Test world. And yes, we received this message on our local machine. So now you can test all your email functionality on local PC. If you have any questions, left the comments below. Have a great day.